Welcome to Destination Perfect. Today, we are looking at Newbury in England on a mission to uncover the 7 most incredible places this town has to offer. We're not just visiting, we're diving deep, racing against the clock to experience ancient castles, world-famous filming locations, and hidden gems. By the end, you'll know exactly where to go if you ever visit Newbury. No more waiting, the adventure starts now. Let's go! First stop, Highclere Castle, the real Downton Abbey. Seeing it in person is unreal. The architecture, the history, the sheer scale. The grounds are vast, with gardens designed by Capability Brown and ancient trees everywhere. Inside, we walk through the actual rooms used for filming. The grand saloon, the library, the dining room. It's like stepping into TV history, but the real stories here are just as wild. Ancient Egyptian artifacts in the basement, royal visits, and centuries of secrets. The opulence is jaw-dropping, and every detail tells a story. Outside, the gardens are a masterpiece. Secret paths, woodland walks, and endless floral displays. You could spend a whole day here and still not see it all. Highclere Castle is the perfect start to our Newbury adventure. It's a 10 out of 10 experience. The bar is set high for the rest of the day. On to the next spot. Let's keep moving. Next up, pure adrenaline at Newbury Racecourse. One of the UK's most iconic tracks. The energy is electric. The roar of the crowd, the thunder of hooves, and the thrill of the race. We get up close with the horses and soak in the excitement of the parade ring. The history here is legendary. Over a century of racing, with famous horses and jockeys. We place a bet, join the crowd, and feel the tension build as the race begins. And they're off. The final stretch is heart-pounding, everyone cheering for their pick. We didn't win, but the experience is unforgettable. It's more than a race, it's a cultural event, with food, music, and high fashion everywhere. Whether you're a racing fan or a first-timer, this is a must-visit for the energy alone. The tradition and excitement are unmatched. Newbury Racecourse is a highlight of the town. Time to catch our breath and head to the next adventure. Let's go! Now, we're at Downton Castle, 600 years old and straight out of a fantasy movie. The ruined gatehouse towers above us, a reminder of epic battles during the English Civil War. Standing here, you can almost hear the echoes of history, cannon fire, clashing swords, and sieges. The panoramic views from the hilltop are breathtaking. You see all of Newbury and beyond. Exploring the ruins, you trace the original fortress and imagine its former glory. The details in the stonework and the archer slots are still visible. It's a photographer's dream and a history lover's paradise. Downton Castle is a raw, rugged gem, less polished than Highclere, but just as captivating. It's free to visit and offers one of the best views in the region. If you love history or epic scenery, don't miss this spot. We're spending more time here than planned. It's that cool. Onward to our next discovery. Let's keep exploring. Time to dig deeper. At the West Berkshire Museum, we're traveling through thousands of years of local history. The museum is packed with artifacts, from Stone Age tools to Civil War relics. Holding a replica of a 10,000-year-old tool really puts time in perspective. Interactive displays make history come alive. Costumes, games, and mystery objects. The passionate volunteers share stories you won't find anywhere else. We learn about Newbury's cloth trade, local dramas, and everyday life through the ages. It's not the biggest museum, but it's full of heart and fascinating stories. The West Berkshire Museum is essential for understanding the town's soul. We leave with a new appreciation for Newbury's deep roots. On to the next adventure. If you are enjoying the video so far, please make sure to like and subscribe to the Destination Perfect channel for more travel videos like this. Also, check out our affiliate links in the description below to book your holiday, as those sites have the best deals in our opinion. Buying from our links will really help the channel out. Time for some fresh air at Victoria Park, the green heart of Newbury. The park is buzzing, families picnicking, kids playing, and gardens bursting with color. We take a stroll, then head straight for the boating lake. Of course, we can't resist a pedal boat race. My boat's definitely faster. It's classic fun and a great way to enjoy the scenery. Beyond the lake, there are tennis courts, a skate park, and a beautiful Victorian bandstand. The park is a true community hub, perfect for relaxing or getting active. It's won awards for a reason. Every corner is picture perfect. Victoria Park is where Newbury comes together. Whether you want to race boats or just chill on the grass, this is the place. We recharge here before heading to our next spot. The adventure continues. Let's go. Next, we're at the Watermill Theatre, a stunning 18th century mill turned world-class theater. The riverside setting is magical, with the sound of water and swans gliding by. Inside, the intimate space puts you right up close to the action. Every seat is the best seat. We get a backstage tour and see how creativity thrives in this unique space. The old wooden beams and historic charm blend perfectly with bold, innovative productions. The garden outside is perfect for a pre-show drink. The Watermill is famous for actor-musician shows and has launched productions to the West End. The talent here is off the charts. Even if you're not a theater fan, the setting alone is worth the visit. This is a cultural treasure and a must-see in Newbury. The experience is unforgettable. On to our final adventure. For our grand finale, we're exploring the Kennet and Avon Canal, a historic waterway winding through Newbury. The towpath is perfect for walking or cycling, with stunning countryside on all sides. We pass ancient locks, stone bridges, and charming cottages. The canal is a living piece of history, connecting London to the Bristol Channel. We hop on a narrowboat and drift along, waving to walkers and spotting wildlife, herons, kingfishers, and ducks. The pace is slow, the scenery is breathtaking, and the sense of peace is unmatched. There's a real community among canal travelers. Everyone waves and smiles. The water reflects the sky and trees, creating a mirror-like landscape. Whether you walk, ride, or boat, the canal is pure tranquility. It's the soul of the countryside and the perfect end to our Newbury adventure. This is a must-do experience. We've saved the best for last. What a journey. That's a wrap. We explored 7 epic spots in Newbury, from castles to canals. Each place was unique, showing off the town's history, energy, and charm. I can't pick a favorite. The whole journey was unforgettable. If you're inspired, come see Newbury for yourself. Smash that like button, subscribe, and tell me in the comments which spot you'd visit first. This is definitely a hidden gem of England. They have a train station there, so it should be easy to get to if you are living here, or if you want to explore a place where not many people know about. Did I miss any amazing locations in Newbury? Let me know down in the comments below. This place is full of history you can explore, which is great. Thank you so much for joining me for the adventure. Please make sure to check out our travel playlists down in the description below, as we made videos on all the greatest world countries and cities. Hitting the bell will notify you of our future videos, which you do not want to miss. Please give your opinions of our style of videos down in the description below, as we like to take feedback and reflect on it. This will be much appreciated. But yeah, if you enjoyed the video, please make sure to like and subscribe, as well as this will help so much. See you in the next video. Have an amazing rest of day. Peace out.